Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with power and permissions. First, charge or insert batteries and press the Xbox button to turn the controller on. The light confirms power. On the laptop, enable Bluetooth in settings or plug a USB-A/USB-C cable into a USB 3.0 port so Windows recognizes the device. Once done, open the Microsoft Store and install the Xbox Accessories app so you can update firmware and customize controls. This avoids connectivity and compatibility problems later. Now pair the controller. For Bluetooth, press and hold the small pair button on the controller until the Xbox light flashes quickly. Then on your laptop, go to Bluetooth settings and choose Add Device, right arrow Bluetooth, and select the Xbox controller. For a wired connection, just plug the cable. Windows will install drivers automatically and show the device in Devices. Make sure the Xbox Accessories app detects the controller so you can apply any firmware updates that ensure stable performance. Finish by testing input and assigning the controller. Open Game Controller's settings or the Xbox Accessories app and press buttons and sticks to confirm responses. Recalibrate if drift appears. Next, set the controller as the default in Steam Big Picture or each game's input settings so mappings are correct. If something fails, restart Bluetooth or the laptop, swap USB ports or use another cable, and update Windows and controller firmware. These steps resolve most connection and driver-related problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.